The IoStore.Signature Error, PARC, is invalid is a common Fortnite error caused by corrupted .pack files, usually after a new update or season launch. Here is the best way to fix it. Works for most players. Close Fortnite and Epic Games launcher completely. Use Task Manager to end all Epic processes. Navigate to the packs folder. Go to Program Files, /Epic Games, /Fortnite, /Fortnite Game, /Content, /Packs, or wherever you installed Fortnite. Delete corrupted files. Sort files by size, smallest to largest. Delete all pack files smaller than 2000 kilobytes. Some users delete all pack files. You can also delete small UCAS files if needed. Verify game files. Open Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library. Click the 3 dots next to Fortnite. Manage. Click Verify or Verify integrity of game files. Wait for the process to finish. It will re-download the missing or corrupted files, usually 8 to 950 megabytes. Restart your PC and launch Fortnite. Additional tips: run Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Disable antivirus temporarily during verification. If the error persists, fully reinstall Fortnite.